of our environment. So me and you, we have to take care of the environment so that we don't get sick. Not so? Yes. Okay. So, teacher,
we are winning. You're going to write the item used for cleaning the what? The environment. Who knows an example? The environment. Yes, baby Diana.
We use a broom to sweep our homes.
Oh, clap for her.
Everyone say recycling.
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 So all of us speak rubbish, not so?
Yes.
All of us speak rubbish. Okay, tell me the rubbish you picked. Anyone? Yes. Paper. Someone picked paper. Yes. A bottle. Yes, baby Sandra. Okay. Thank you so much, students. I'm going to clap for you. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock. So listen what you have done. What is this?
Paper.
What is this?
Plastic.
What is this?
Things
Things that
grow.
So do you see how important this is?
Yes.
So papers are not going to mix with
Plastic.
the plastic is not going to mix with
Things that grow.
things that rot. And where do we put the things that rot? In the
Garden.
Yes. So if we had put plastic here, could we put the things that rot with the plastic in the garden?
No.
Why? Because the plastic does not support growth of plants. Is that okay?
Yes.
So have we learned this?
Yes.
Anytime you see a blue dustbin, what do you see?
Paper.
Anytime you see a yellow dustbin, what do you see?
Plastic.
Anytime you see a green dustbin, what do you see?
Things that grow.
Things that grow. Okay, teachers, stand up and clap for our students. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, the last activity.